Hello Jammers, it's me Cat again. Today I'm going to be doing a video, well, a fashion show. I want to see if, I don't know, people, I don't even know what I'm going to say. Okay, everyone's saying hi. Okay. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna click random things to tell people which the theme is because I don't know. Because I'm really dumb and I just want to do random ones. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for people to be done. I'll be right back. Okay, I just had to talk with my parents for a second. If you can hear her in the background, I'm so sorry. Well, I got a jammogram. Hi, I want to be BFFs. Close my. Oh, okay. That's fine with your gifts. I don't really care what you send me. You can send me anything. Okay. Okay. 2 winners. Okay, there's 2 winners, so sorry for the background noise, it's just my mom doing something, I don't know what she's doing. I'm talking to the mushroom now, that's all. Okay, that's just weird. I don't know how to say her name, Leslie and Carly, I think Carl, I can't say her name, so I can't see her user. Now I need to give them something stupid. Or something like that. I want to give them stupid stuff. I want to give them like... I don't want to give them stupid stuff because they're gonna kill me or something like that. Do. Hold on, this is gonna take like forever. Yeah, I'm okay. Okay. No, I'm fine. Okay. I'm gonna do like, hold on. I don't even know math right now, so I did 2 rounds. I'm gonna do 3 more rounds to see if people win. This is stupid. So, if you guys want to buddy me, I'm still accepting them. For now. This game is laggy. I'm just gonna dance because I want to. I don't even know why these non-members right here. This thing meow. You're not even a cat. I don't know what he's doing. Like, it's a cat. Okay, that's fine. And okay, that's a good cat, and that's not even a cat. Wow. Okay, I'd have to say there's 3 winners. So that one is sick cat, and then Carlos. I can't see her user. Bless. Okay, there's like 2 people who won the same time. I don't know why. I like their costumes. I don't know why the non-members are not even dressing up like a cat. Cause I don't feel bad. I feel bad that they're not dressing up anything or anything. I'm just wondering why they're not dressing up. Maybe I should give them. Actually, I'm going to do like one more round. I've been recording for like 7 minutes now. Just wow. Why am I giving people promo? I can't click her username. Why? Okay, there. No, not. I don't know why the members are winning so much. It's probably because they have more stuff than non-members. I'm not being offensive to non-members or anything. I like them. It's just that I don't know why they're not dressing up or anything. Thank you. It was a fun game. It's anything. Okay. It's anything. Okay, I'm a panda. Okay, that's cool. Okay, what am I talking about? I'm just watching something random. Where'd the other jammer? The other jammer over here go. I'm gonna add Moon Treats. She's a good person. There, can I accept that? I knew it. Oh, I knew it was a rare spike wristband. I'm me. Halloween. Okay, that's cool. Okay. And oh, this is like the third time Leslie has won. Wow, Leslie. I can't speak today. Just wow. I don't know why this member is so good at dressing up. Don't mind, that's my dad talking about my cat redding. Redding. That's all my cat does. All she does is rubbing. Not she. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Yeah, no, I want to give her something good. Not french fries. Oh my god, my game is so laggy. I don't know why. Okay, there. I'm gonna trade for these, but I'm gonna trade them back because I have one already. So, I'll give him something, non-member, so he'll get something. Cause I wanna be nice here. Cause I don't wanna, like, take advantage and take the thing that he has. So that's why I'm trading it back to him. Oh, I need to tell you a sad story. This person named Unicorn for Life, she's in an orphanage, and I really feel bad for her. Very bad. It's just very sad. Wow. That's cool. Thanks. Okay, you're welcome. Alright, people. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video of this random passion show that I did because I was very bored and I didn't know what to do. This video might take a while to upload, but I'm sure it wouldn't take that long. So these are my buddies, Lessie48, I don't know how to say your name, I think that's correct, and Moontreat, if you want to be friends with them, I don't know, I think they're accepting buddy requests, if I just buddy them, hopefully they still do if you find this video like a year later, I don't even know. Bye.